Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss about the projection of solid when the axis is perpendicular to vertical plane. In the previous lecture also I have discussed about the when the axis is perpendicular to vertical plane, how to draw the projection front view and top view. So you can go for the previous lecture or you can see the problem here also. So last class we discussed about the hexagonal prism, and when the axis, one of the base is rectangular face is parallel to horizontal plane. So the same problem we did in the previous lecture. This question we have already completed, so no need to repeat the same thing, because here it is pentagon is there I have drawn the hexagonal prism. So we'll go for the next problem here. When the axis is perpendicular to vertical plane and here the face is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Now see, the face is, I told you already previously in the introduction class, when the face is perpendicular to HP means, that means one of the base side is perpendicular to HP. Okay, so when this is our plane is there, suppose this is the vertical plane and this is our horizontal plane. So this is the reference line is there, XY, and this is your vertical plane and this is the horizontal plane. And when the face is perpendicular to HP means, if this is the HP is there, in the previous case the face is parallel to, that means parallel to means here it is, the face will be parallel to this like this. So the rectangular, the pentagonal one face is parallel to this one. Now in this case we need to take this one as a perpendicularity like this. Okay, so that means this will be perpendicular to the horizontal plane. This is the horizontal plane is there, so one of the base will be perpendicular to horizontal plane. So we need to keep the pentagon in this way. Okay, this is the base of the pentagon. Similarly we can draw the prism of that pentagon. So the methodology to draw, we need to draw the front view first, because the true shape of the pentagon will be visible from the front view only, and then we can go for the top view. Okay, so let's start in the AutoCAD. Create a drawing sheet here by MB setup, paper space no, and metric and scale factor 1, 420 and 297. Okay, now draw the reference line here, and any one arbitrary reference line you can draw. Now we need to draw the pentagon, so go for the polygon symbol is there, yeah, and number of sides 5, and specify the center point. No, we'll select the edge of the polygon. What is the size of the base? 30 mm is there, so 30, and axis is 60. Okay, so 30 base, yeah, and from this we need to draw the project the vertical projector lines. This one we can little bit move it to downside. Yeah, now any other thing given here, the distance from here it is 15, like from the point will be here from 15 mm. Same thing we can maintain here, anyway no issue. So that one can be done here, this. So the line will be taken here from here. How much is there from here to, you can take 15 distance and we can just enter it. And after moving this one, what we'll do, we'll just move this, and from this point can be kept here. Okay, now this will be the 15 mm distance is there. This one we can delete it. So this is the front view, and from here we need to project all these points from each of this side. Okay, and this is the one point is there, and similarly from here to here we can join. And one more center line will need to be done. So the center point or axis point we can draw from here, that will be given here. So again select the line, just to, when you are selecting the line, just to keep your mouse on this object, so that you will get easily highlighted the axis line or center point of that. We can draw the axis line here. So the height of that prism is given 60. So from here we need to take 60. Okay, and here we will join this line, again 60. here it is 60 mm is there, and again we can draw this, we can join this directly point here, and we can join here, close it. Okay, and the base is situated any difference distance is no, it is on the reference line itself. So what I will do here, this one, this is single line only. So anyway, this line we can delete, and this one we can stretch up to the last. Okay, and this one we can change the as a center line, and this line we can go for the last. Yeah, now we can just highlight this our main answer, what is the front view and top view, by changing the color and by changing the thickness of that, so that it will be looks good, and we can easily identify which is the answer in that. So that we need to give thickness and different colors. This is our XY reference line, and here we have to mention the mark the points A, B, E point. Okay, here A, B in the same line it will be there, I hope. Yeah, A, B, A comma B, and this is C, E, D, in this C comma E, and this is our D point. Okay, so similarly here it is A dash, and this is B dash, this is our C dash, this is D dash, and this is our E dash. Now one side is completed. What about the other side? Other side we need to 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 5 4. Okay, so we will start from 1 2 3 4 in this way. Now again here we can mark it like 1 dash, and this is 2 dash, and here next we can give here 3 dash, and this is your 4 dash, and here it is 5 dash. Similarly here also we need to mark it 1 comma 2, and this is 3 comma 5. Similarly here it is 4, and this one we can give a O dash. Okay, and this is the line we can give. Okay, it is not given here anything, we can mention it O. Okay, and or we'll give it here O comma O dash. Okay, and this one we can give O, and here it is O dash. That can be given here. So by this way we can complete the front view and top view and the text of this all this front view and top view. And next we need to give the distance from here to here, how much. No, again so we need to select properly from this base point. Yeah, and what is the height from here to here? It is 15. And what about the axis height? Axis height is nothing but the total height of this. This is our 60. So this is all about the front view and top view of the pentagonal prism when the pentagonal prism is perpendicular, the axis is perpendicular to vertical plane, and one of the face is perpendicular to horizontal plane. This is one condition. Another condition is given, a face is inclined 45 degree to horizontal plane. Any one of the face will be make an angle of 45 degree to the horizontal plane. So when it is making an angle of 45 degree here, that means to this horizontal plane, so the object will be start from here. From this point we can start the pentagon like this. Okay, so any one of the side will be like this, is the angle should be here 45 degree to this horizontal plane. So in that case what we can do, we can just rotate this object with an angle of 45 degree. that will be enough in that. So how much angle is here, it is there, that same thing can be copy pasted there, and we will make it angle of 45 degree. Remaining things can be same step. So let me show you in the same what I have drawn here. Let's just select this and go for the copy, CO, enter, and just select the base point and just drag it to the next one. This is first step what I completed. Next what I'll do, I'll just measure the angle how much is shown here, or it is there for this. Now see, this is 54 degrees there, but what we required a 45 degree angle. So what I'll do here, I'll just select this, I'll just rotate, and I'll select this base point, and I'll give a -9 of this. Now see, automatically it came 45 degree. That's how you want. Yeah, F phase is inclined 45 degree to HP. So we got the F phase which is inclined 45 degree to the HP. Remaining things is as usual similar. We need to just draw this from all these points, the vertical projectile lines, and from each point we need to draw actually. And here you can join all these points. Yeah, and all these points will become differently. Then we'll go for the distance how much we taken. So this is the vertical projectile lines. Now next center point, center line also you can. This is the center point, you can join here, and this one we can give a center line here, so it will be visible. And next we just need to here join here. Then axis height is how much? 60 is there, I hope. Yeah, 60, enter, and join this, and finally join this. Okay, remaining other thing we can easily trim it here. Okay, so this is our required answer for this. Now you can, this one also you can highlight it by changing its color, changing its thickness. Okay, and similarly here you need to text will be different here, because the A point is here, B point is here, C is here, D is here, E is here. So all the points are different. So by that way we can give it. So here we can just change the height of this linear, and here this is the distance, total height is there. Okay, and remaining other text we can give here, B here, A point will be here, different points will be there. So this is all about the problem related to axis perpendicular to vertical plane, and when the face is inclined 45 to HP. So I hope you understood. If you are having any kind of doubt, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.